Hi, this is Zach Anderson with Casa de Terra Professional Trail Building Company. Okay, I made this little demonstration video to try to help explain the options available, and today we're talking about double dug construction. Now, this is really ideal for a narrow surface trail, especially in more sensitive areas that have a lot of watershed or contamination issues or concerns. So the benefit of double dug is there is no soil that leaves the construction prism. So the first part you can see on the video here is we're separating the organics and we're sweeping it to the side into a consistent what's called a bench wattle, and that makes it available to pull back on top of the finished trail shoulders for extra resistance against splash erosion. But it also just filters any little bit of non-compacted shoulder dirt or sediment before it leaves the trail prism area. The other big thing about double dug construction, and inferring by the name, is that you can't just stack dirt on a side slope. Even after you've taken the organics, you will get slippage and you'll get different densities, which will create a hydrology layer. None of it is good. So the first thing you always do, whether you're doing a highway or a residential pad construction, is that you create a level toe that you can start to compact your fill into, and you do that in steps. So as you go, like with standard narrow surface trail, I use approximately 3 steps, and those are really much more defined and developed as you get closer to the 100% side slope. So this is only a 15% side slope in the video, and you can see it's pretty easy to reconstitute or loosen the dirt equally within the trail prism. You can see I use the bucket to guide the excavator forward, and that regrades the trail. If I need to affect the side slope of the bench, then I can toss a little bit of dirt behind the blade so that it elevates my track as I move forward. So the other thing that's really good to keep in mind is that when you're using an excavator with a thumb, it gives you an opportunity to scrub all the small brush and organics out, which reduces the amount of regrowth you get when you're just cutting brush off. The other thing that I really like about it is in our area we have a lot of rock, and rock is a really good material to support your outside shoulder. And so with an excavator you can manipulate a number of different types of material, like large boulders and stones, and incorporate them into the trail rather than just trying to push them down the hill, and that causes a lot of damage often. So I hope this is helpful. Take care.